There was a 16-year-old driver. He had just gotten his driver's license. He wasn't paying attention, and next thing you know, he looks up and he hits me going about 50 miles per hour.
This customer came to me about a diminished value claim. This being a high-end BMW, we knew that there'd be a significant amount of diminished value based on the repairs that were done to the vehicle.
I came in here expecting that it was going to be a 30 to 45 minute evaluation. They came out and said that, we're very sorry, but we found some things that you need to take a look at.
Upon first inspecting the car, I found that the body lines were off. The gaps and the cracks between different panels, the tail lights, deck lid, quarter door, was not consistent with BMW standards, BMW quality.
BMW is very particular about how you repair one of their vehicles, and millions of dollars go into engineering how those vehicles will react in a subsequent collision after a repair.
Within the trunk, I can look in here and I see that there's damage here that's been marked by someone else other than myself. They know the damage is here and it has not been fixed. I've got a roll here and a buckle here. I've also got a kink right here, bare welds, grind marks, buckles all the way across. The whole panel is wrinkled. All the areas that I'm pointing out here are structural panels. Structural mean that's the main support of the car. These are unibody cars. All the parts work in conjunction with each other. If it's involved in another crash or an accident in this same area and all this damage is still here, the vehicle's not going to respond the way it's designed to respond in the crinkle zones, the collapse areas, and so forth. The damage is going to travel further into the vehicle than what it's supposed to, and thus putting occupants of the rear seat in danger. Well, this buckle right here is a crinkle zone or collapse point that did exactly what it was designed to do in the accident. The problem is the damage is still there. And if you look closely, it's right there at the airbag. So now we have a major safety issue. It's going to fold even more further up into the airbag where the airbag mounts and affect how the airbag is going to deploy.
We got the technicians at Pack Brothers to delve deeper into the repair and actually got a bore scope. They actually have a camera on a small wire that goes up into the cavities of the vehicle, and they found damage there that was hidden.
I found burn welds. I found rust already starting, but eventually that metal fatigue from the rust eating through it is going to weaken the metal, and if that car is hit right here, it's just going to peel away and rip away and not collapse like it's supposed to.
The side door did not shut correctly, and you would actually have to slam the door as hard as you can to get the door to be completely flush, which really concerns me because, that's where my 5-year-old sits.
And that's scary. It's a scary thought for me. I'm a father too. I wouldn't want my kid riding in that position. I wouldn't want my kid riding in this car until it was repaired correctly, because I wouldn't want that on my conscience.
You never know what kind of repair you're going to get until someone checks it out. The customer thought it was actually a good idea to go to this shop because the insurance company recommended the shop, and the shop said that they could fix it properly, that there were no safety issues, and the shop actually told the customer that they had a certified BMW tech that would be working on the car.
They recommended, and they said that it'd be easy for them to take it to the specific body shop, and it was a certified body shop, so I thought. So there was no reason for me to think that I wasn't taking it to the best place there was.
You can get all the certifications you want all day long. It doesn't mean you're going to fix the car correctly. Corners were cut to speed up the repairs.
When an insurance company recommends a shop, they're not recommending that shop for your best interest. Their goal is to get the car fixed as cheaply as possible, to keep the bottom line down for the insurance company.
They're called DRP programs, direct repair programs. If the insurance companies recommend them, you don't want to go there because they're working for the insurance company and not you.
You should be very wary of any insurance company that wants you to go to one of their shops. In North Carolina, that's called steering.
I had no idea that took place. I mean, again, I just thought I was taking, it was a suggestion, And it was one of the biggest places, and they're well known and reputable, and I was like, okay, that sounds like a good choice to pick.
When you go into that body shop, say, do you have a contract with the insurance company that's repairing my car? And if the insurance company has a contract or a direct relationship with that body shop, you should seek out a body shop that's working for you.
After you get it fixed, unfortunately, you have to get a diminished value report and have someone else take a look at it, because at this point I'd have to say you just really don't know. Otherwise, you could be putting yourself and your family in danger.